Right now, I'm getting a feeling down my, like kind of down, like down my leg a little bit. I don't know if that's connected in any way.
The sciatic nerve, which is the largest nerve in our body and the one that everybody worries about when you hear the term sciatica going down the leg, it does connect all the way to our brain, okay? Because the sciatic nerve connects to the spinal cord, and the spinal cord obviously is just an extension of our brain. Okay?
Wow.
So, in moving it this way, it's also possible that you have just straight nerve root tension somewhere along the chain for which the flossing is intended to help relieve. So, I'll show you that after I'm done with this,
Wow.
okay?